All right, today is Zippo Saturday. Let's see what's on the table. Now this Zippo came in a extra large cardboard container. And it says Tree of Life design. And of course it's got the P65 warning. If it's not P65 warning label, it's not any fun. Zippo manufacturing company is in Bradford, PA. All right, it came in a double boxed. Well, it's got the sleeve and it's got this box. And it is the Tree of Life. The nice presentation box. And it is antique silver finished. It is a Zippo armor with 360-degree multi-cut engraving, and it is the luxury Zippo line. And you can see it's got the two little mirrors for looking at the sides without having to take it apart. So let's take it apart. And it says, congratulations on your purchase of this Zippo luxury product. Okay, so here is the luxury Zippo Tree of Life in the antique silver finish, heavily carved. Front and back and sides, and there is the stamping, made in January of 2020. Bradford, PA, made in USA stampings, and there on the lower right you can see the armor stamping, the shield with a flame on top. Sounds real nice. Lights up good. It's one of the better examples of Zippo in my collection. And let's do a drop test on this thing. It doesn't matter how much it costs. Let's see if it works. So this luxury Zippo passes the drop test. And this Zippo, made in USA, deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.